Mad, sick, Reggaeville.
Sundance. No rush with me and DJ for Sundance. Straight up from Rotterdam. Yeah. Devin, you know I'm all the way from Jamaica with my band. Performing live for y'all tonight. You know the thing said it's a joy, it's a good feeling. I appreciate love everything that's going on right now. You know the thing though. Straight up. See? And level it there. I gotta say this, 2012 was a historical year for music signal. See, I've been through a lot of stuff. Musically, physically, mentally, you know the things that, but the more side, help me today, alright, just to perform live for Sundance. Holy money, all I have to give thanks to the more side, sure! Level it! So we have to set this. First and foremost, praises to the Most High. Life over all things. Freedom! Never. Make them know. Fresh from prison now me there. Just when me give thanks, me have to chant a word of prayer. Fresh from jail now me there. Ready to mash up work because me have to let the cheddar. Y'all sing on the street man a player. Oh, first president, the girl that told me and I'm there. The violate the dogs, man, a slayer. Yo, I told you run your mouth, cause man, we want you with this prayer. No more half a toothbrush, nor cheap. No play a boat to get no prison food, nor cheap. Figure like no paramedic, man, man, go take no water, lick no time, we will have best man, the world. Let's a job and make me do. But I might not no dolphin, nor no shark, and it's a must you want someone to get ignorant and bad. I'm gonna feel again. Never gonna feel again. Like we are gonna see again. Who will never see me again? If we are going down, stop it. First, stop it now, stop it. So that's the bottom of the world for sure. We just let them know that they're going to
Mad, sick, Reggaeville.